Aniline point of the diesel is a measure of its content. A. Aromatic. B. Paraffin. C. Olefin. D. Naphthene. The correct answer is aromatic. Presence of sulphur in gasoline. A. Leads to corrosion. B. Increases lead susceptibility. C. Decreases gum formation. D. Helps during stabilization. The correct answer is leads to corrosion. Which of the following additives improves the cetane number of diesel? A. Amyl nitrate. B. Ethyl mercaptan. C. Naphthenic acid. D. tetraethyl lead. The correct answer is amyl nitrate. In catalytic cracking process, olefins crack times faster than in thermal cracking process. A. 100. B. 200 300. C. 1000 10000. D. 10. The correct answer is 1000 10000. Choose the correct statement. A. Coking tendency increases with increasing molecular weight. B. Coking tendency decreases with increasing molecular weight. C. Higher pressure enhances coke formation. D. Coking is an exothermic reaction. The correct answer is coking tendency increases with increasing molecular weight. In catalytic alkylation, higher iso-butane to olefin ratio gives A. Low final boiling point product. B. Higher yield. C. Both A and B. D. Neither A nor B. The correct answer is low final boiling point product. In case of liquid petrofuels, momentary combustion is observed at its A. Flash point. B. Preheating temperature corresponding to viscosity of 25 centistokes. C. Flame temperature. D. Fire point. The correct answer is flash point. Polymerization. A. Produces I-octane from cracked gases containing I-butane and butane. B. Causes olefins to combine with each other. C. Causes aromatics to combine with each other. D. Is aimed at producing lubricating oil. The correct answer is causes olefins to combine with each other. Both asphalt and wax are produced by base crude oils. A. Naphthenic. B. Asphalt. C. Paraffin. D. Mixed. The correct answer is mixed. Which one is preferred for aircraft engine? A. High viscosity index lube oil. B. Low viscosity index lube oil. C. High freezing point aviation fuel. D. None of these. The correct answer is high viscosity index lube oil. Alkylation. A. Causes olefins to combine with each other. B. Causes olefins to combine with isoparaffins. C. Converts isoparaffin into olefin. D. Converts olefin into paraffin. The correct answer is causes olefins to combine with isoparaffins. Which of the following has the maximum API gravity of all? A. Diesel. B. Kerosene. C. Petrol. D. Furnace oil. The correct answer is petrol. Petroleum coke is used mainly in the A. Discoloration of yellow glycerin. B. Sugar refining. C. Manufacture of carbon electrode. D. Blast furnace for reduction of iron ore. The correct answer is manufacture of carbon electrode. Pick out the wrong statement. A. Multigrade lubricating oils have high viscosity index. B. Paraffinic oil has very high viscosity index. C. Naphthenic oil has very low viscosity index. D. High viscosity index means a large change in viscosity with change in temperature. The correct answer is high viscosity index means a large change in viscosity with change in temperature. Research octane number refers to the A. Low octane number motor fuels. B. High octane number motor fuels. C. High octane number aviation fuels. D. Unleaded motor fuels. The correct answer is unleaded motor fuels. In sweetening process, solutizer agent used with caustic alkali is A. Potassium iso-butane, B. Sodium plumbite, C. Methanol, D. Phenol. The correct answer is potassium iso-butane. Sulphuric acid treatment of petroleum products removes the materials A. Gum forming, B. Color forming, C. Asphaltic, D. All ABC. The correct answer is all ABC. Hydrogen content in petroleum products varies from 12 to 15 by weight. As a result, the difference between gross and net heating value of petroleum fuels varies in the range of kcal. A. 600-750, B. 250-350, C. 1000-1500, D. 2000-2500. The correct answer is 600-750. Which of the following processes consumes hydrogen? A. Fluid catalytic cracking, B. visbreaking, C. Propane deasphalting, D. None of these. The correct answer is fluid catalytic cracking. Petroleum deposits are detected by the A. Oil seepage at the surface of the earth, B. Measurement of density, elasticity and magnetic electric properties of the rock in the crust of the earth, C. Age, nature of rocks inside the crust of the earth, D. All A, B and C. The correct answer is all A, B and C. Which of the following has the highest viscosity of all at a given temperature? A. Naphtha, B. Fuel oil, C. Light diesel oil, D. Petrol. The correct answer is fuel oil. Older crude petroleum. A. is light and better, B. gives more distillates, C. gives less tar, D. all A, B and C. The correct answer is gives more distillates. Which one of the following processes aims at producing higher yield of gaseous unsaturated hydrocarbons and aromatics like benzene toluene? A. reforming, B. pyrolysis, C. alkylation, D. hydrocracking. The correct answer is reforming. Diesel index is defined as A. API x aniline point F100, B. API x aniline point C100, C. API x 100 aniline point F, D. API x 100 aniline point C. The correct answer is API x aniline point F100. The condensate obtained on compression of wet natural gas is termed as A. liquefied natural gasoline, B. natural gasoline, C. liquid natural gas, D. none of these. The correct answer is natural gasoline. Pick out the correct statement. A. paraffins have higher octane number than corresponding isoparaffin. B. paraffins have lower smoke point than aromatics. C. suitability of kerosene as a fuel as an illuminant may be determined by char value test. D. aviation fuel should have very high cloud point. The correct answer is paraffins have lower smoke point than aromatics. Crude petroleum oil is a fuel. A. primary, B. fossil, C. both A, B, D. secondary. The correct answer is both A, B. Molecular weight of crude oil is in the range of A. 100-120, B. 230-250, C. 450-550, D. 600-850. The correct answer is 230-250. Catalyst used in the isomerization is A. aluminium chloride, B. alumina, C. nickel, D. phosphoric acid. The correct answer is Aluminium chloride. Octane numbers of motor gasoline used in India and America are respectively A 8794, B 9487, C 94-100, D 83-100. The correct answer is 8794. Crude oils containing more than kg of total salts expressed in terms of NaCl per 1000 barrel is called a salty crude. A1, B5, C15, D25. The correct answer is 5. Read vapor pressure of gasoline is the measure of its A pour point, B cloud point, C vapor locking tendency, D carbon residue. The correct answer is vapor locking tendency. Pick out the correct statement about catalytic polymerization. A H2SO4 polymerization process gives gasoline rich in unsaturates. B in H2SO4 polymerization H3PO4 is always used with 2 steam to prevent meta-ortho H3PO4 formation which are inactive. C both A and B. D neither A nor B. The correct answer is in H2SO4 polymerization H3PO4 is always used with 2 steam to prevent meta-ortho H3PO4 formation which are inactive. High aniline point of diesel indicates that it A is highly aromatic, B has a large ignition delay, C is highly paraffinic, D has a low diesel index. The correct answer is highly paraffinic. Boiling range of motor gasoline is an indication of the A case of starting, B rate of acceleration, C vapor locking tendency, D all A, B and C. The correct answer is rate of acceleration. Performance number of a liquid fuel is related to its A wax content, B spontaneous ignition temperature, C knocking tendency, D sulphur content. The correct answer is spontaneous ignition temperature. Naphtha yield in straight run distillation of crude oil may be about %. A2, B6, C12, D18. The correct answer is 6. Mercapsol and Unisol processes are meant for the A dearomatization of kerosene, B removal of mercaptans, C dewaxing, D decoloration. The correct answer is removal of mercaptans. Solvent used in the ODEX glycol extraction process for removal of light aromatics from cracked naphtha is A propane, B diethylene glycol, C aqueous solution 10 water of diethylene glycol, D methyl ethyl ketone MEK. The correct answer is aqueous solution 10 water of diethylene glycol. Which of the following is the most suitable feed for platforming process reforming? A olefinic hydrocarbon, B naphtha, C fuel oil, D atmospheric residue. The correct answer is olefinic hydrocarbon. Solvent used in Edeleanu process is A furfural, B propane, C liquid SO2, D phenol. The correct answer is liquid SO2. Naphthenic acid is represented by A CnH2n2O2, B CnH2n2O2, C CnH2n2O2n6, D CnH2n6O2n6. The correct answer is CnH2n2O2. Name the endothermic reaction out of the following. A catalytic cracking, B hydrocracking, C dehydrogenation of naphthene to produce aromatic, D catalytic polymerization. The correct answer is dehydrogenation of naphthene to produce aromatic. Natural gasoline is produced A from oil wells, B in oil refineries, C. By natural gas stripping. D. None of these. The correct answer is by natural gas stripping. Main constituent of natural gas is A. CH4, B. C2H2, C. C2H4, D. C2H6. The correct answer is CH4. Raw kerosene has a smoke point of 15 mm. After it is subjected to dearomatization by liquid SO2 extraction Edeleanu process, its smoke point may become mm. A5, B10, C25, D100. The correct answer is 25. Petroleum coke is commercially produced by the process A. Hydrocracking, B. visbreaking, C. fluid catalytic cracking, D. delayed coking. The correct answer is delayed coking. Crude oil produced by Indian oil fields are predominantly in nature A. paraffinic, B. naphthenic, C. asphaltic, D. mixed base. The correct answer is asphaltic. In solutizer sweetening process, solutizer solution used is A. methanol in Unisol process, B. naphthenic acid in Mercapsol process, C. both A and B, D. neither A nor B. The correct answer is both A and B. Which of the following contains maximum sulphur? A. diesel, B. petrol, C. kerosene, D. fuel oil. The correct answer is fuel oil.